All right. Now, I wanted to give you an example of what one of the problems that we do with mass spec looks like. Now, I've got this molecule set up here, all right, and I've just drawn it ball and stick, just so you can see what it looks like. What I want you guys to do is I want you to find the major peaks in the GCMS and then find the parent ion of this particular molecule. You don't have to do them in that particular order. Matter of fact, when I solve this, I'm going to do this in reverse. So I'm going to find the parent ion first, and then after that, I'm going to find the peaks that are associated with this as it breaks down. What I'd recommend you do is, now that you've seen this problem, hit pause in the video, give yourselves a chance to solve this problem, and then when you start it back up again, I'll show you how I solve this. All right, so we're going to start, and the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to look and solve what the actual parent ion is going to be. And the way to do that, just find the molecular formula. So let's count the number of carbons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So this is C11, okay? There are no double bonds here or rings, so we know that it's going to be 2n plus 2 as far as number of hydrogens go. So twice 11, which is 22, plus 2, it's going to be 24. So it's C11, 24. So now if I get out my calculator, if I can find my calculator on my desk, I have no idea where my calculator's run off to. So what I will guess I'll do is use my phone and do a quick calculation of what the parent ion is going to be. So 11 times 12 plus 24, and we get a mass, it's going to be 156. So our parent ion should be 156, okay? Assuming that the m to z is 1, is at 156 to 1, z is 1, we're going to see 156 here. That's generally what you see. Okay, now where on this molecule are we going to see the molecules start falling apart? Well, let's go ahead and take a look at this. Where are our most stable ions going to be? Okay, the first one that sticks out is going to be this T-butyl group. Now, if I look at that, and I look at a break in that one, I'm going to have a tertiary radical on one side, and on the other side, I'm going to have a secondary radical, right? So we're really looking at something that's really stable at that point. So one of our fragments, so let's draw our fragment out here. One of the major fragments is going to be this thing and this one. Okay. Alternatively, another stable one is if I lose one of these methyl groups, I am going to have this molecule, which is still going to be pretty stable because I'm forming a tertiary carbocation or a tertiary radical. Both of those things are going to work pretty well there. Okay. Another fragment that I'm looking at is if I split that one, look what happens. Okay, I've got a secondary radical or carbocation here, and I'm going to have a secondary radical or carbocation in that position. Since both of those positions are secondary, both of those are going to be pretty stable. So of all of these should be the big peaks that I see on the GCMS. Okay, and what are the masses of those going to be? Well, this one's easy. If I just lose 15 from 156, this one's going to be 141. All right. This one, okay, if I've got something that's a butyl group, and if you remember, butyl is going to be C4H, and in this case it's 9, C4H9 for a T-butyl. Now look at that, and that's going to be 4 times 12 is 48, plus 5, 57. Okay, so if I subtract 57 from that one, this one should be 99. And if I look at this one, it's a little bit more complicated. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's C5H3, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Right? Or did I miscount that? There should be 1 hydrogen on this one. So let's see. 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So that should be 11. Okay. That's H11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, am I missing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. I'm missing a carbon right there. There we go. So that's C6H, and just look at the difference between the two. That's H13. Okay, and these are going to be the masses of major ions that I'm seeing there. That's what I want you guys to be able to know and be able to figure out for tomorrow's quiz.